You remember these guys? The golden age of desktop pets. They didn't help, they didn't do anything useful, and we loved them. But here's the problem. They're extinct. Your desktop is now boring and bland. So today, I'm going to make a desktop pet that is both cute and annoying. I'm going to use a cat. But you may ask, why a cat? Simple. They do whatever they want, and they demand attention. Perfect for a desktop pet. I started in Unity and created a new project. I chose Unity over any other engine because I'm already familiar with it. First thing was figuring out how to make the window transparent. To actually make the window transparent, I had to use the Windows 32 API. It's basically a bunch of commands that let a program talk to Windows directly. So let's see how that goes. Yeah, that's not transparent, let's try that again. Okay, now that's working. I made the cat sit above the taskbar. I mean, look at him just chilling. If you're wondering about the cat itself, I grabbed a 2D sprite sheet by Elsen. It looks pretty cool. I also named the cat Greg. I don't know why, but yeah, he's Greg now. Next, I made Greg actually follow your mouse. At first, he just slid around like a possessed Roomba. So I added the animations, and Greg looks so much better. Now just following the mouse is boring, so I made Greg lock the mouse in place and hit it away. For the second cat behavior, I made Greg bite the mouse and run away with it. Greg, are you okay? Took you a while. Here's a fun one. I made Greg calculate a trajectory, then jump at your mouse, taking it down with him. When Greg gets bored, he'll pick a random spot to sleep at, but half the time he chooses a spot outside your screen and just runs forever. Now of course, the most important feature, petting. Petting the cat will increase the affection meter. The more affection the cat gets, the less it would annoy you. I didn't end up showing the affection meter on the screen, it took some space and it was really annoying. With all these behaviors implemented, we need a way to connect all of them, so it's time to make Greg a brain to use. Basically every 30 seconds, Greg thinks of what to do next, whether he should attack your mouse or sleep. I made it so if Greg's affection percentage is over 70%, he just chills around and not bother you. If it goes below that, he starts plotting. The more his affection goes down, the more likely he's going to annoy you. With most things implemented, we need to add some sound effects, so I looked around for some free sound effects. Let's see this one. Now that I think about it, we don't need sound effects. Now with the most fun part, trolling others. So I gave the build to my Patreon and Ko-Fi supporters to try it out. Let's see what they think about it.
Ooh, we have a nice little cat here. Ooh, I can pet it, let's go. Ah. Oh wait, I can't click. Why is there a mouse cursor there? Can I go gambling? Let's get a case. Oh. I'm too broke to get it. Sad times. Ah, let me cancel the transaction. The cat wants me to gamble, it won't let me cancel the transaction.
I like to play a competitive game. Oh my, no. Okay. It's actually annoying. So it's basically about timing. You have to play Valorant with it.
Last player standing.
So yeah, that's Greg. The build's available on MightiD if you want to try it out. Overall, this was a really fun project to make. Big thanks to my Patreon and Ko-Fi supporters, because of you I can keep making weird stuff like this. Hope you enjoyed this video, see you in the next one.